One of my favorite snacks is grapes from California because they taste great and are healthy too. But I also love to use them as a fresh ingredient and add them to some of my favorite dishes. Fresh grapes add great taste, beautiful color, and a healthy boost. The key to these sweet and spicy nachos is the combination of the spicy chipotle barbecue sauce and the juicy, delicate sweetness of fresh grapes from California. Grapes can go anywhere a tomato goes, and they work perfectly on these nachos. First, puree your sauce ingredients until smooth. Then layer your ingredients onto your chips, jalapenos, onion, chicken, and Monterey Jack cheese. Drizzle with the barbecue sauce and into the oven for just 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese is melted. Finish with tortilla, avocado, cilantro, and fresh grapes. Sweet and spicy in one bite. One of my secrets to healthy eating is to include more fresh, healthy foods in my day, such as California grapes. Grapes are a heart-healthy food, and they are a natural source of antioxidants and other polyphenols. Remember, grapes from California are juicy, fresh, and delicious. They are a heart-healthy snack and a smart ingredient to make your meals more enjoyable. For these ideas and more, visit grapesfromcalifornia.com.